Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I had some friends come over and we started messing with the MGB GT. We did a good bit of exhaust work and I didn't get a whole lot of that on film. It was a little chaotic here with all my buddies hanging out and goofing off and being silly. I did get some footage though, and I'm going to try to patch that up right now. That way you can kind of see what we were able to do. The short version is we basically chopped off the exhaust right behind the header and removed all of the original exhaust because it was rusted out anyways. It had exhaust leaks everywhere. We welded in a Magnaflow muffler and then essentially just straight piped it. Found a fairly factory looking exhaust tip at the local parts store. Put that on there because it looks appropriate on it. We didn't want to go too big with the exhaust tip and make it look silly or make it look like a Civic or something. But let's dive in. I'll show you guys what it sounded like before, and I'll try to see if I can link up that video to show you what it sounds like now. So let's jump in.
Yes. Race car things.
All right, and you can hear in the video that it just sounds dead. It has no soul at all. It just sounds like a pitiful little four-cylinder, which it is. But we want to get some more life in that exhaust system so that it's a better driving experience. So let's see what we've done.
That's good. Let's go.
Get in it, dude. I want to hear you rev
Dude,
it.
Jordan, get in the car,
Get
dude.
in the fucking car, dude. This peer pressure is crazy.
Peer pressure.
Proper breeding teaser.
Durable.
That's pretty good. Oh my god.
Yes.
That's pretty good. I can't wait to hear it over low, dude.
Yes.
Brad, hit that exhaust again. Let me get the video.
Hey, I'm fixing to blip it.
These should sit at 850 RPM stock without the carb, so if you're at like 940 or something, it would be good. You're right.
Use a little more idle. What's it say for timing? Hold on. That's a lot cooler. We can bump it just a hair, though.
That's probably right about where you want to be.
All right, 7.
That's 35 total.
So it says 16 degrees for BTDC or top dead center.
Let's see what we're at, like 24, but this is a newer distributor with a shorter curve. So they do that for ethanol fuels.
Oh,
I had to deal with all that in 2002, but my curve got cut in half when I converted it from the distributor to ethanol fuels. So right now you're like 35.
you can buy 100 octane.
But it's just that the ethanol-based fuels, they detonate way earlier.
Once you're going over 30.
I just gotta tighten the distributor. Okay, you can turn it off so I can tighten the distributor.
It actually sounds really good. Let's go. I'll go hit my planter box. I'll do my best to hold the camera steady. Remember, your brakes suck.
I know.
Let's go that way. This sounds so good. Ooh, it pops and bangs, dude. It pops and bangs. timing issue probably helped a lot with that.